Hello, my name is Peter, and this guy here is the ArtiPad I manufactured by TopDon China, a well-known name in the industry. The ArtiPad I is an Android-based device, and it has a very responsive, high-definition touchscreen. The device looks and feels very well built. It has an adjustable kickstand. It has several ports that you can use for different applications. It has two cameras. The rear camera, it has a flashlight, and the front camera, it's a regular one. I am connecting an optical mouse just to show you that you can use this device using a mouse, using your finger to operate the device, or a touchpad. Before proceeding further, I want to mention that beside the diagnostics, you can use this device to navigate through internet. This is a very important feature, very good feature to have, especially if you use third-party applications. Let's go back. So, we are launching again the diagnostic program. The first thing that I want to mention is the software update. This is a straightforward, easy to use function. You connect the device on internet, and then the system will show you all the vehicles that have an update. This tool, of course, has been fully updated, and so we do not have, or we don't want to update any other car. So we go back. One thing, a good thing that I want to show you, it's the shortcut on the or easy access to different functions. Let's say brake reset. As you know, on modern cars you have to reset or to set the brake system on service mode before proceeding with a brake job. So beside that, you can perform other functions like gear learning, injector coding, battery resetting coding, or adapting, and so on. A good thing, a unique application, is the diagnostic history. So the system memorizes the vehicles that you recently worked on, and it gives you a list. For example, it shows here that in January 2019 we connected this tool on 9 vehicles. So it was a Honda, Volvo, Porsche, and so on. So let's see here. If we want to connect again the device on this Mitsubishi, we select the Mitsubishi with this particular VIN number, and we click Quick Access. So the vehicle communication interface will communicate with the tool and will bypass all the steps that you usually run before selecting a particular car. Let's go back. What else we have here? We have a toolbox. So the device is capable of communicating with external modules like an oscilloscope, a sensor testing system, a multimeter, a battery tester, of course camera, and video scope. Let's go back on diagnostics. Another feature that I want to mention is that you can see the vehicle coverage. Let's say a customer calls you and he asks you if you can do something on a BMW X5. So to make sure that your tool is capable of doing or performing that job or task, you click here, you enter the model of that BMW, in this case let's say X5. You click search, and then the system will search and will let you know all the functions that this software is capable of. It will take a while because there are 2111 pages of information. Okay, here we are, as you see, X5, the chassis, E53, and then the functions that the actual software is capable of. So at this point I think that will be very interesting if we connect the tool on a real car and see how the software will perform.